person. You see, if the farmer is poor, then so is the whole country. You get it? If the farmer is poor, the country is also poor. I am enjoying this place. Yes, I am really enjoying this place, guys.
You see a liver? Morning. Teachers in Tino Madam, Madam Wing, Majodi. Any more of them are telling Tino Madam, so look too good. And can't be on it, can't be.
Good people saying good evening. Good evening, good people. How are you? How was your day? So, guys, this is my second day in Kenya. Yes, this is my second day in Kenya, guys. Doing lots of learning, lots of work. We ain't playing here, guys. Yes. So I think I'm gonna tell you what we did today was the week. But my back is hurting because of work. But I'm used to work, guys. So in the physical work that we were doing, I'm used to this. My back is hurting a little bit, not that much. So good people, I'm in Kenya. This is my day 2 in Kenya. Yes, yesterday I wanted you to guess, but today, but of course, you knew what I was talking about. I gave you a hint. So good people of the internet, this morning we woke up early and we had, here's the timetable. The timetable here, personally I woke up early, but then we have breakfast at 7. Then we have our meeting time at 8 o'clock. And then after that we are distributed what to do, kind of work to do. So that's what happened. And this place is a agricultural training center. So guys, today, should I tell you what they do here, or I can just tell you what we did today? Okay, what do they do here? This is called propagation room house. Propagation house. That's today. Part of today we're in this room. It's a greenhouse whereby we were mixing the sand, not sand exactly, but the compost, because they make their compost out of the garbage, the kitchen wastes and animal wastes here. And we were even adding some worms inside. So we were working from this. It's locked, it's closed, but I can't get inside. I don't have to. And then they also brewed some, okay, they keep some called, they're called black soldier flies. They're called black soldier flies. So they keep in here black soldier flies. And we also watered the garden, guys. So today we watered the garden. But the garden was it's not just a garden, there are gardens, like they are gardens. And also we also cleaned early in the morning before we mixed the compost and like what you call matured compost, that we will plant some crops or we will sow some seeds next week. Yeah, so this is the part here. These are the composters, guys. You actually see, these are the composters. Yes, it's called Sems Rotubisha Center. I also liked this part. I think this is the backbone of all the projects here. This one, I like this one. There are lots of worms. These are the composters, guys. Nice. You can read there. Yes, GBAC. Okay. Grow Biointensive Agriculture. Yes, this belongs to BIAC. GBAC. Okay. This is my favorite part too. I like this side. This has been my favorite side too. Okay, so that's their yeah. I like this side, guys, whereby they were making composters, because as you already know, Saru has his place and you're gonna practice all this kind of stuff. So on this side we are learning. There are lots of worms, red worms inside there. So from this side, you see the water that comes from the compost, it's here and it's also fertilized from the compost. So this is the cycle, I guess you can see. This is the cycle. Yeah, that should be life cycle of earthworm. Okay, life cycle of earthworm. And this is the what? Let me write what is it. But I think that's the compost here. That's the compost cycle. So guys, you are learning with me here. You actually learning with me. It's a research bed. This is called a research bed. And then they're doing a lot, guys. We haven't learned everything, but they told us something about here. There is animal manure here dipped in water, making some making some they're here making some ammonia. There's a sec here. And also it's a lot. It's plenty. I'm still learning, guys. I don't know everything, but I'm still learning. So this is a research bed too. This is the compost. Guys, I'm learning here. These guys, they're very knowledgeable, guys. They know what they're doing here. I feel like because this is my second day here, but the way I'm feeling, I feel like I'm already agriculturalist. Agriculturalist. So there are goats up there. So today we cleaned the goats. What can you say? Goat pen or goat house? Goat pen. Goat pen. Yes. Then they're brooding chicks inside there. Yes. We also cleaned. Then also cleaned the New Zealand and California. Rabbits? The rabbits there. We also cleaned this tank today, and it's already filled up. Wow, it's already filled up. We cleaned this tank today. We cleaned it today, in and outside. And guys, I'm just gonna show you around. This place is amazing. These guys are living heaven on earth, guys. Heaven on earth. Yeah. Compost improves soil quality. Guys, you're also learning with me because I'm also learning. I'm so proud to be here. This is another stack of compost. Guys, after this, I think I'm gonna pluck this. They call this duck what? It's called duckweed. Yes, this is called duckweed. It's a lot. They use it to feed the pot. This duckweed, and there are also fish inside. Guys, I'm showing what we're gonna do at Sarpamo. So this is duckweed. All of it is duckweed. It's in water. There are fish inside. There are tilapia fish and catfish. Then there are ducks inside there. Ducks and what? And turkeys. They're inside mixed together. Yes, there are fish inside here. And also this plant. They told us the name of this plant. There's also azola. You can see azola, guys. And that's the garden over there. We planted it. We worked there today and we watering the garden. Guys, this is a small Eden. For me, this is a small Eden, guys. I'll show you as time goes on because I don't know everything. I'm just showing you what we have been shown here. Yes, because work is done and I'm taking this time to record and showing you guys what's in here, guys. So, yes, as I start fresh compost, we are going to learn how to make compost. That's another compost, but unfortunately, I don't have a cameraman, so I won't be able to record whilst we'll be making what? Compost. The only thing that I'll be doing is explaining to you guys. That's another flesh compost, but we'll be, that's code. They call it code compost. This one is code compost. So there are rabbits inside, they're locked. There are rabbits, then they used to be chickens, but they're no longer. Then small livestock stock production section. There are goats up there for meat. Yeah, there are goats for meat. I think, yes, then these are organic fertilizers in here. Then this is water from these composts. It comes through this, then it goes in here. It's fertilized too. Then they're fermenting stock feed. The fermenting stock feed inside there. Guys, I think I have for today. I have explained, yes, what I have covered. These are the guys. This is a small Eden in here in Kenya. It's a small Eden. Guys, we are just learning everything. You are learning what I am learning. You are learning with me. You guys, you are learning with me. Because I am also learning. Yes, guys, it's plenty of learning. If something is not eating your plants, then your garden is not part of the ecosystem. Yes, you can actually see. It says it all. Yeah, those are the vegetables. It's a small Eden, guys, in Kenya. Everything here written, it's about learning and learning. We're just learning, guys. It's a learning after learning, guys. Yes, it's learning after learning. There is written reason for seeds. So yesterday we've shown this is a cultural room. It's locked, unfortunately, but it's good. Let's read the reasons for seed saving. Okay, this one. Ah, wait a minute. Yeah, this one. This one is a seed room. It's called seed bank. That's a seed bank. Seeds is our selves. Seeds is ourselves. Seeds is us is sovereignty. So this is a seed bank house. Then this is a culture. So written then the GBX Seed Bank, Indigenous Seeds Collection and Saving Center. Save seeds, protect food freedom. So guys, we need to learn, and I'm also learning here. Free the seeds, our seeds. So guys, you'll be asking, and we will teach you guys. We will teach you the right way that we are learning here. Kenyan maize varieties. There are lots of seeds there, maintained at different temperatures. Yes, maintained at different temperatures. Here they're also maintaining, in that one, they're also maintaining temperatures, and here they're also maintaining temperatures. So there are different varieties of seeds in there and on that side. Yeah, living the future today, living the future. Guys, this is a small Eden here. I won't finish explaining everything to you, but what I can say, if you are in Kenya, you need to visit this place. Yeah, that's what I can only tell you. If you're a farmer, or if you wish to be a farmer, and if you're in Kenya, you need to visit this place. I won't tell you everything, but if you're in Kenya, you better visit this place. So a whole system approach, calorie farming, open pollinated seeds. Those are maize, cabbage seeds, onion seeds, then deep soil preparation, composting, intensive planting, companion planting, carbon farming. Guys, if you will learn a lot. I'll be just showing you. Guys, all about learning. It's all about learning, empowering the communities, transforming lives. GBAC. Remember, you are what you eat. Guys, this one, remember, you are what you eat, guys. If you eat junk, you are chunky. Grow biointensive. Grow biointensive. Yes, building Kenya with our own hands. Yes, we are the ones who can build. So we can say building our Africa. Building our Africa. Building Africa with our own hands. Yes. Then farming isn't a job. It's a way of life. So guys, you are learning with me. I'm just learning. Then here also the process. They do processing inside the seed. The process seeds inside. Is it written? The door is not written, but okay, yes, it's called factory over there. It's a factory. Guys, this is a beautiful place to be, heaven on earth here. So build houses and settle down, plant gardens and eat what you produce. Jeremiah 29 verse 5. There are also Bible verses. You see, if the farmer is poor, then so is the whole country. You get it? If the farmer is poor, the country is also poor. Then all my food comes from the farmer. Yes, of course. Without the farmer, the doctor will die. So secret to building your soil. Number one, compost. Number two, number three, it's compost. It's always compost. So the factor we're talking about is over there. I think today we have shared with you what we did and what I know for now. Yeah, we are learning a lot. Okay, those are the stores. Kitchen. Over there, that's the kitchen, but I'm going upstairs. So good people over the internet, thank you so much for being with us, Saru. Yes, thank you so much for your support. Okay, should I show you that? Show you. It's all about learning here. It's all about learning. It's all about learning, guys. Learning. It's learning after learning. Yeah. It's learning after learning. Wow. Can you see over there? Yes. Learning after learning, okay? Let's go up there. There's a reception. Here. There's a reception. Let me show you. There's a reception. There's computer lab. So I am enjoying this place. Yes, I am really enjoying this place, guys. Yeah. Yes, GBAC. So good people the internet. Yes, I'm in Kenya. Beautiful land. You can actually see cattle outside. Actually see cattle. Yes, cattle over there. You can actually see cattle. And this is rural. Imagine, this is a rural area. You can actually see cattle over there. This is a rural area, guys. This is a rural area. Yes. Yes. Jury Tech Hardware. Oh, those are shops. Oh, those are shops. I think I would like to take a walk there. So, group of them, thank you very much for your support. If you haven't subscribed on YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, for more videos. My camera is dead, right? But thank you very much for always supporting your Pamoja. Yes. Thanks so much for supporting your Pamoja. I think today I managed to show you, and now you have a background, guys. Because yesterday I didn't want to tell you. But now I managed to tell you what I am doing here in Kenya. I'm learning, guys. I'm learning about biointensive. Biointensive. Yes, that's what I am learning here. It's agriculture. That we say 70%, 70% we need to, it needs to come from your land. 70% it needs to come from your land. Then only 30% comes externally, but all organic. Yes, we recommend organic farming. It's okay. Organic, the biointensive is it's beyond that. It's a lot. We are focusing on biointensive. So good people, then thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe. And if you haven't liked this video, kindly like this video. Say, please, your support means a lot for me. Please like this video and share with them. People, especially my fellow Swahili people, if in Kenya, you better visit this place in land. Just pay your money. It's cheaper. It's cheaper to be educated here. So pay amount of money, then you come here and you will learn it. GBAC, yeah, agricultural center. You just pay some amounts of money, then you learn, guys. Yes. I have there plenty of bikes, guys. Kenya can build. This is a rural part, but the people are building. You can see the cattle outside grazing. Guys, in Kenya, people build houses. That's another thing I see. Even roads are good roads. There are good roads in Kenya. Kenya can build. Guys, there are good roads in Kenya. And you are in the rural area, but it's good. It's good. It's skyscrapers. So good people, thank you very much and stay blessed.